The focus of this video is slimming and toning the belly as well as aiding digestion. Begin dry brushing in a clockwise motion over the entire abdomen. We move in a clockwise motion because this is the direction that the large intestine moves and empties. Then use upward sweeping strokes over the entire abdomen with your dry brush. After you've worked on the entire belly, then you will apply your aura activator and your aura oil so that your gua sha stone glides without friction. You can really massage your aura oil into the belly and give yourself a little abdominal massage in the process. The aura activator and the aura oil have ingredients that boost the results of your gua sha ritual. Begin gua sha with your aura stone using the wavy edge and work up the sides of the body. You can do several strokes in each area, and this should feel good. The pressure is moderate. I like to hold the aura stone with 2 hands. Using the wavy edge, I'm going to follow the clockwise pattern that I was using with the aura sweeper. This encourages healthy digestive flow. Using 2 to 3 strokes in each area, I'm going to work around in this circle several times. Then switching towards the rounded end, I'm going to relax my abdomen and work up, over, and down. This feels like a really good abdominal massage. After I've completed several rotations, I'm then going to use 2 hands and work up over the entire abdomen with the wavy edge of the aura stone. You can see that it's starting to get red. I personally have noticed incredible benefits postpartum in using the stone in this way. My child is 2.5 now, and I noticed that this technique really helped tighten and tone my abdomen after she was born. Just a note, I waited about 6 months before I worked on my belly postpartum in order to make sure that my abdominal wall had closed. Typically, I don't feel like our bellies get enough love, so this feels really good.